the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Whitney Evans. A bipartisan effort to pay for much-needed repairs on Interstate 81 has been scrapped. Two bills to install tolls on the interstate have been changed to exclude any way to fund the repairs. Both of the measures in the House and Senate now create an I-81 committee that would make recommendations to the Commonwealth Transportation Board. They would also set up a special I-81 fund, an account that doesn't have any source of revenue to fill it. The Senate patron, Republican Mark Obenshain, called the bill a pale shadow of its former self.
People have different opinions about how we should do this, but quite frankly, we in the Shenandoah Valley along the I-81 corridor have been talking about the need for improvements for an awful long time, but nobody's done anything.
Days before the start of the 2019 General Assembly session, Virginia Governor Ralph Northam announced he and Republicans had agreed on a plan to toll the interstate. The tolls would pay for $2.2 billion in roadway fixes aimed at reducing delays and crashes along the interstate. For Assembly 19, I'm Whitney Evans.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.